So today I went over social emotional development, and this was my presentation. My name is Cecilia Reyes. So the first thing that the video talked about was changing our mindsets from asking questions from what's wrong with you to what happened to you. I think changing mindsets to what's wrong, from what's wrong with you to what happened to you, is easier for students to confide in you and show you their emotions and how they're feeling that day. Something else that was talked about was childhood toxic stress. So this just expresses strong, frequent, prolonged diversity, like physical, emotional abuse, chronic neglect, substance abuse without adequate adult support. So without the support, there will be a lifetime lasting changes of that child's brain development, immune system, substance abuse, and many other negative qualities that students may have as they grow older. There is also social and emotional learning. So, this is a process through which children and adults acquire and effectively apply the knowledge, attitudes, and skills necessary to understand and manage emotions, set and achieve positive goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make reasonable decisions. So, with the acronym is SEL, for social and emotional learning. There are 5 that go along with it. There is self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision making. And then some important key terms that we will go over is responsive caregiving, affective, emotional security, empathy, temperament, self-efficacy, emotion regulation, sense of self, impulse control, and social understanding. So the definitions to these, for the first one, which was responsive caregiving, was infants now start to regulate their emotions and build safety and responsiveness. 2, having moods, feelings, and expressions. So that was for the last one we have done, which was affective. For emotional security, we have how stable your emotional state is. There's also being able to understand and feel what others feel. That's empathy. There's also differences in behavior that the environment affects. And this is number 5. Number 6 is how well a person is able to deal with a situation based on their skills. Self or emotional regulation is just being able to control the way we respond to certain situations. There's also perception of what defines you, which is sense of self. And then we have 9, which is the person is not able to control behaviors or attitudes. And this was impulse control. And then the last one is understanding others' needs, beliefs, and perspectives. Thank you.